Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm heading to a healthy restaurant, a healthy eat out spot pretty much. What I want to do is just show you guys a few places where you can get healthy food. So I found a place on Instagram. It's called Eden Wellness. It's at Usetu. So I'm going there now. They close by 8 and it's currently 6:42. So hopefully we have enough time to vlog when we get there. So guys, we are here. We're about to enter. My face looks fresher with my phone. Like, but the intro was with my camera and now I'm using my phone because I want to enter on my phone. I don't want them to feel intimidated. Yeah, the street is smelling. I don't want them to feel intimidated with my camera at first. You know how Niger can be with cameras and vloggers and all that. So yeah. Sweetheart, say hi. Sweetheart, say hi. I actually like the place. The place looks really, really nice. Okay, how much is that? 2,000 something, yeah? Usually salads are like maybe 2,000. So it's, I think the salad is okay. One with the sandwich, especially. Okay, this is that burger stuff.
Yeah, it's very expensive.
Okay.
Let's try it now.
Guys, if I'm to give them props for anything, it would be their fresh juices. They have a whole range of fresh juices and smoothies. Like, there's so many options. I was a bit confused at first, but I just chose one randomly. Yeah, so I give them props for the juices. This is what I got. Full detox lemonade with activated chocolate. It just looks attractive to me, that's why I want to try it. Bella got passion portion. The passion fruit mango pineapple lemon. Do you like it?
Okay.
Okay.
The one I want to try. Try it.
Okay. The chicken avo sandwich, we ordered a spicy chicken salad and then a chicken wrap. This is your chicken wrap, guys, and this is 1,006. Honestly, I'm not impressed. Like, this is too small, but anyway, we'll talk later.
This week on King of Hearts.
I feel like it. It's spicy a bit. Yeah. But it feels a bit mesh. You understand? Maybe because of the avocado. Like, you know how something like mashed up, you get? I'm not really feeling them one. I don't really like it mashed up. Made fresh daily. Alright, so let's talk about this salad, right? At first, when we looked at the salad, there was just so many vegetables and very little chicken, and we are like, oh gosh, I hope it's going to be nice. So at first, we were both not feeling the salad, but towards the end, it got really nice. Actually, Bella scored the salad a 6 and I scored it a 7. Because most of the sauce fell to the bottom, I guess it made it much nicer towards the end.
I haven't even tried the chicken. Is it nice?
Yes. I'm fine. Hold your answer. Okay, bye.
The chicken wrap, I believe, was the nicest thing we ate because we scored it an 8. It was a solid 8. There were loads of chicken in the chicken wrap, but at first when we saw it, we were like, "Hey, Chinekyo, what is this?" But at the end it was nice. So no regrets for the chicken wrap, but still it was too expensive. 1,006 for something this small. Even a shawarma is cheaper than this. But anyway, I would say it's okay since it's healthy, right? It seemed really healthy and it had loads of cinnamon in it. Bella isn't a fan of cinnamon, but she still gave it an 8 because it was quite nice. The chicken was really spicy and
Mini
nice.
shawarma.
More like a healthier version of shawarma. It's literally packed with chicken. I'm not seeing any vegetable inside here.
Chicken wrap.
Personally, I think it's a bit too pricey because we shared everything apart from our drinks. So imagine if we had gotten 2 of everything, right? So 2 sandwiches, 2 salads, 2 chicken wraps, we would have spent close to 15,000 in this place. But because we shared everything, we were able to cut down the amount that we spent at this place. So yeah, what do you guys think? Maybe this is just obviously this is my own perspective, but do you think it's too expensive or not? So finally, this brings us to the end of the vlog. This place is quite cozy and beautiful. And like I've mentioned earlier, their range of drinks is amazing. If you want to come here for anything, then come here for the drinks for sure. Bella scored her drink a 9. Mine, well, because it's charcoal and for detox, it didn't taste very nice, I would say, but I wouldn't mind taking it again as long as it has those benefits. I would gladly take the drink again. So yeah, they have some healthy meals as well, but I didn't try that because I didn't anticipate spending so much that day. Like, I really wasn't hoping to spend as much as I did, but it's fine. The place, we just left the place. See, I'm still holding my drink. The drink is not sweet, I tell you, but Shay, they say it's for detox now. So I shouldn't be sad that it's not nice. Like, it was very nyama. But Nigerians will not understand nyama.
Why Nigerians?
I'm sorry, non-Nigerians will not
You get
understand.
non-Nigerians
Of
for
course,
yourself.
are you mad?
It was yucky, right? It was slimy, like, you know, like when you put flour, egg, and milk together. Now, oh my goodness! See that G wagon?
Move.
Oh my god, sweetheart! Oh my god! To me, yeah, you said you can eat sandwich cold. See your face.
Oh, okay. You don't like it cold?
I don't like it cold. I like when the bread is quite crispy.
Yeah, like toasted and all that.
Crispy.
Crispy.
They
Yeah,
know
crispy.
they have crispy.
There's no. Nah, mom. I don't know. Okay, so anyway, you wanted it hotter,
Yeah, I wanted it hot.
or at least the bread to be toasted.
to be toasted.
It wasn't about the bread; it was about the ingredients. Let's be walking as we're doing this
No,
thing.
this
So
is the only best lightning here.
do you know that if we're static, the video might be too boring. You get what I mean?
But then this is the only correct lightning now, because if we're moving now, there'll be...
So in total, we spent 6,900. And when they told me 6,900, what did you say against
I
it?
said,
That
Jesus, for what now?
Exactly. Like, what did we buy that
Yeah.
like 6,900?
Uh-huh.
Honestly, like, that was too much. I go to places where I spend less, and I'm even fuller than I am. Hi, ba de. I go to places, I spend less, and I'm like fuller than I am now. Next video.
I'm losing weight. My collarbone is coming out.
Now, so just one day healthy eating.
Like Helly Mac.
So guys, anyway, I had so much fun today. Like, Bella was just making faces. She would taste one, she would say she would taste one and say So yeah, that's it for the first healthy restaurant. Hopefully. Yeah, okay, so she has been to Smoothie Parlor. I've also been to Smoothie Parlor before, but I didn't vlog then. So we're going to go to Smoothie Parlor next. Maybe either that or another healthy place. We'll go there, we'll vlog it, and then let you guys know how it is. So yeah, tell me Okay guys, so I have to end the vlog here now. Let me know if you guys have ever tried anything like Eden Wellness or your experience with healthy sports in Abuja. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. We have to head home now or whatever. Okay, bye bye. Subscribe.